How to do text reveal edit in CapCut. So if you want to do text reveal edit in CapCut, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut, go with a new project. Once you're on the new project, now you can simply go with import and then import the videos. So you just need to simply have a video with the text and the background should be black. You just need to simply create this. Once you've created, now I'll just remove the excess part and go with the video, which is the background. And once you added, what you need to do is just go with the first one, which has that text, and then swipe right on the bottom and tap on overlay, and it will bring that to the bottom. And now crop the excess part. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply go with the text part and then go with the splice, which is on the bottom, or blend, and then tap on lighten, and you will get this kind of interface. Go with tick, and what you need to do is just add some keyframes. So go with the first part and swipe right and add a keyframe, and then go with the last part and swipe left and then add a keyframe. And once you've added, if you play the video, then you will get this kind of interface. And now what you need to do is just go with the plus again, or just select the video and then copy it. You will have a copy option right here on the bottom. So you just need to simply go with copy, or just go with duplicate, and after that tap on it, the duplicate one, and go with the overlay, which will bring that to the bottom, and swipe left. Now tap on the third part and then swipe right again, and here you will have the crop option. Tap on transform. Now once you've resized, you just need to simply adjust it to the right side. Once you've adjusted, now if you play the video, you'll have this kind of interface, but make sure that you've adjusted to the right size so that it can blend. Now if you play, then you will have this kind of interface. So that's it. That's how you can do a text reveal edit in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.